Bigger on the top. This is for my ladies who are inverted triangle, who are more bustier. When you did your measurements, your bust, your waist, your hips, your biggest measurement was your bust. If you don't know me, I'm LaToya Pope Robinson, the owner of Closet Invite, a personal styling service. I am a certified image consultant and personal stylist in Charlotte, North Carolina, and virtual globally. I am here. If you didn't watch my last video showed you and told you how to measure to know your body type. There's 5 body types for us women, and I'm going through each one. My last video was for the proportionate for the hourglass. I am back with bigger on top, inverted triangle, and I'm going to go through each body type. So make sure you're subscribed and you have clicked the notification bell so you get the notification. So if I haven't went through your body type yet, I will. And share as well, so you can share it to your mama, your cousin, your sister, your friend. You ain't gotta say, girl, I think this your body type. You can just send it on over and say, hey, she got some good tips, so she can figure out what her body type is if she don't know, or if you don't know. All right, let's get into it. I apologize, my dog's up here making noise. Bigger on top. So if you're bigger on the top, some tips that I would give for you is to opt for dresses that have the wide supportive straps, right? You may already know this, but if you don't, if you're bigger on top, having the spaghetti straps are typically not your friend. Not saying you can't wear them, but if you want to make sure your body is proportionate in your looks, opting for a wider strap when you are wearing those sleeveless tops would definitely be a game changer for you, and definitely be more supportive for the girls as well, right? All right, I know we got a lot of good supportive bras these days. I am not that big on top. I'm a C. I'm not that small, but I'm like in between. So if y'all have any, good supportive bras you want to drop in the chat for the other ladies, let them know, because some people don't know, right? All right, for bigger on top ladies, avoid extremely slim fitting trousers. Okay, because you're top heavy, right? You already sorry, my dog's over here making noise. But you already know that your top is the main attraction, right? And typically, for my bigger on top ladies, your bottom is more smaller. You want to, for all of our looks, we are all like pretty much aiming for the proportionate look. We're balancing out our look, kind of like for the hourglass look. If you are definitely having more slim fitting trousers, skinny jeans, looks like that, you're not going to look balanced. You're not going to look proportionate at all. You may want to go for more of a wider leg jean or trouser and to proportion your look out, right? If your top half of your outfit really stands out, depending on if your outfit really stands out, of how you want to balance that look out. But typically, like, say if your top half is, really, say you have a tie waist look and your look is giving you that more curvy look, then you may be able to go for a more slimmer bottom look. Not saying you can't wear them, but just saying. So say if you have a slim top and then you do a slim bottom, we're really going to see how top heavy you are. So that would be a no-no. But if you have, say, a nice blazer, a nice wrap jacket that has that belt hitting you in the right place, then you may be able to go for a slimmer bottom because it's going to give you that more of that hourglass proportionate look. But typically for my top heavy ladies, we typically would go for more of a wider leg or at least a straight leg jean, but typically more of a wider, so you can have that proportion to balance out your top heaviness, right? We want to create the balanced look. So typically for my top heavy ladies, if you are having like a knit top, an A-line skirt, right? The skater dress is going to balance you out. So you're heavy in the top, that A-line skirt, that skater dress, skater bottom is going to balance your bottom out. So now you have that proportionate balanced look. Okay. Another tip for y'all is to create a look on the bottom that adds volume. to say if you've ever seen a bottom that has more, it's more busy on the bottom. It has maybe, let's say pleating typically, or has some kind of, say like a peplon asymmetrical type of bottom. If you're wearing like a jumpsuit, make sure it has like an asymmetrical peplon, some kind of look going over. It's not just like straight up and down, because it is not going to look proportionate on your body type, right? And I may put some looks up. If you see some looks, it's because I edited and put them in. Some other another ways to make sure that you are looking proportionate is empire waistlines. So they support the bust and elongate the body. So for the tops that are like, say they have I can't talk, y'all, a belt in the waist, and they kind of go out. So the empire line is empire sweaters, not just straight up and down. It kind of has like that waist and goes down a little bit. Kind of even more of like a peploni look, but it kind of like elongate. It just elongates your look, so you're not just looking so top heavy. It kind of flows into your bottom. So those are just some, definitely some tips for my top heavy ladies. Just make sure the whole look is to balance out. And for anybody, I will always say to you, make sure you have a full length mirror. Make sure before you walk out that door, or when you're trying on clothes, that you can fully look at yourself in a mirror. Does this look proportionate? Does this look right for my body type? Do something's off? If you feel like it's off, then most likely it is. Go take it off and try something else on. See what is not working for you. Why is this not working for my body? And make sure that it is balancing your look out. So hopefully these tips are working. I have the free body type style guide as well. If you ever have any questions, concerns, email me, closetinvite@gmail.com. I'm definitely here to help you. As well as you can always go to my website, www.closetinvite.com. And I also have free consultations that I will put in the description link. Up next, we're going to go to the next 3 body types. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can see all the body types and get all these tips. I'll talk to y'all soon.